Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class.
Welcome back to chemistry class. My dear student, I hope you're doing well. So, my dear student, today we are going to study 10th class chemistry from the first chapter, which is chemical equilibrium. My dear student, this chapter will help you understand how reaction proceed and why some reactions stop and some reaction go forward and backward at the same time. So let's understand step by step. Now, an introduction to chemical equilibrium. My dear student, in chemistry, we study chemical reactions. Some reactions go to completions, meaning all reactants are converted into products. Example, combustion of methane, CH4 plus 2O2 gas, CO2 plus H2H2O. But there are many reactions which do not go to completion. Instead, after some time, the forward reaction mean reactants to products, and the reverse reactions mean products to a reactant start happening at the same time. When the rate of forward reactions becomes equal to the rate of reverse reactions, we see that the system has reached chemical equilibrium. Now, definition of chemical equilibrium. Dear student, chemical equilibrium is the state of a reversible reaction in which the rate of forward reactions becomes equal to the rate of backward reactions at the concentration of reactant, and the concentration of reactants and products remain constant at time. Now, key points about chemical equilibrium. Dear student, the first one, it only occurs in reversible reactions, and the second one, at equilibrium, both forward and reverse reactions continue, but at the same rate. And the third one is concentrations of reactants and products remain constant, mean not necessarily equal. And the fourth one is it is a dynamic state, not static. Not static. It is a dynamic state, not static, meaning reaction are still happening. Now, example of a reversible reactions. I mean, have a process for making ammonia. This is an example of reversible reactions. In N2 gas plus 3H2 gas, gas 2 NH3, which is also a gas, ammonia. Nitrogen gas plus hydrogen gas, gas, ammonia, gas, and ammonia will start after some time a backward reactions or gas, hydrogen gas, and nitrogen gas. So, my dear student, and this reaction nitrogen reacts with hydrogens to form ammonia, but ammonia also decomposes back into nitrogen and hydrogen. At equilibrium, both reactions balance each other. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture and the introduction of 10th class first chemistry first chapter, which is chemical equilibrium. So this is all about and today's lecture. I hope you understand. So if this lecture helped you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lecture, and share it with your friends. Comments your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.